Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So let me show you how you can grow a Facebook group in 2021. So let us jump straight into this. The method is that you will invite your page fans to join your group. So to do this, you will need to create a group and go into group settings. And after this loads up, you will see group affiliation. Click this to edit and add the page that you wish to use for getting the fans which will be invited to your group, and make the group affiliated to this page. Now let's go back to the group, refresh it, and you will see this invite button. So click on it and you will be able to select many people that are affiliate or liked your page or followed your page or are affiliated with your page in any way. So you will be able to click many of these guys, and yeah, all you have to do is have a good mouse which has a strong click button which does not break down soon, because you will have to do many clicks, especially if your page has many likes and followers. Then you will be able to invite quite a large number of people to your new group. So let us click here. These are already invited, and already I invited many people here. So here we have one left, and so on. So you can go ahead and check all these guys, and all you have to do is click send invites. And now Facebook sent out for me I don't know how many I selected, around 40 I guess people, and around 40 people were invited to join my group here. And this is how you can grow your Facebook group in 2021. Go ahead and make a page affiliation on your group in the settings where I showed you, and starting from there, as you can see, 64 people and 65 people were invited to join this group. Okay, so yeah, this is all for today. I hope this quick tip helped you. If you want to get more, please subscribe to this channel. I release new videos each day at 7 p.m. GMT. Thank you for watching. Until then, have a nice day, stay safe, bye bye.